Let me show you how to create this simple mask effect in Adobe Photoshop. Open your photo in Photoshop, make sure it is unlocked now. Go to Select and choose Subject. Press Ctrl J to paste the man in a new layer without the background. Now write your number. Drag this layer on top. Add a layer mask. We want to mask these parts here to make it look more interesting. Hold Ctrl and click on the text layer here to select the pixel. Choose the brush tool. Choose the hard round brush. Set the opacity and the flow to 100%. Set the foreground color black. Follow this process. Go to Select and choose Deselect. Now we want to add some shadows here to make it look more real. Create a new layer. Hold Alt and click here to create a clipping mask. Choose the soft round brush. Let's choose a dark orange color. Reduce the flow. Follow the process. Now let's add a shadow here. Create a new layers on top of the layers. The brush effect will only be seen on the text cause the layer is clicked to. Press Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E to merge all layers. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and choose Camera Raw Filter. Follow this process now. Here the before, here the after. Choose the brush tool. Choose the soft round brush. Follow this process. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Leave your comments below you have any question.